Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sweet green tea. To begin, select high-quality green tea leaves for the best possible flavor experience. Next, heat fresh water to approximately 175 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for green tea. Then, measure out about 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves for every 8 ounces of water you plan to use. This careful preparation ensures a delightful base for your sweet beverage. Once your water is ready, steep the green tea leaves for 1 to 3 minutes. Steeping longer can make the tea bitter, so be mindful of the time. After steeping, strain the leaves completely to stop the brewing process. Now comes the sweet part. Add your favorite sweetener. Options like honey, agave, or a simple sugar syrup work wonderfully to achieve your desired level of sweetness. Beyond just sweetener, you can elevate your green tea with various additions. For a bright, citrusy note, try adding a few slices of fresh lemon or lime. If you prefer something more aromatic, a few mint leaves or a thin slice of ginger can provide a delightful kick. You might also consider a small dash of fruit juice, such as apple or peach, for an extra layer of natural sweetness and flavor. If you prefer your sweet green tea chilled, making an iced version is simple. Brew a slightly stronger batch of tea than usual. This helps maintain flavor when the ice melts. It is crucial to let the hot tea cool down completely to room temperature before adding any ice. Finally, pour your cooled, sweetened tea over plenty of ice and garnish with a fresh lemon wedge for a refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.